শরণাগত তুমি স্বাগত, এসো এসো হে মহামানব। শরণাগত তুমি স্বাগত, এসো এসো হে মহামানব। হয়ে আগত করো বর্ষণ তোমার জ্ঞান।
You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Swami Vivekanda, born Narendranath Datta, was an Indian Hindu monk and philosopher. He was a chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. He introduced Hindu philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga in Europe and America. He brought Hindustan to the status of a major world religion during the end of the 19th century. Vivekananda is considered to be a major force in the revival of Hinduism in modern India. Swami, without a doubt, the greatest source of achievement, pride and inspiration. He taught us unconditional love, reinforced the importance of giving back and taught us how to be a better person. Thank you.
Everything is within you. You can do anything and everything.